students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine at your home. Today we'll see Mathemagic Workbook Standard 4th. Now all of you open your page number 179. In the previous video we have completed main 8. In that A and B also we have completed. Now today we'll see main 9. Use the given pieces of weights. Here the given pieces of weights are given 5 kg, 6 kg and 2 kg. To weight the following things. Here the things are also given. See, wooden sticks and other things are also given. Okay. Draw the wooden stick and pieces of the weight in the pen as per the example. See, the example is given. Example, 1 kg wooden stick. Okay. Here 1 kg wooden stick is there and here 6 kg weight is used, okay, in this pen. So in this pen how much kg we have to use, that it's a balance. 1 kg wooden stick is there and here it's a 6 kg. So how many remaining? 5 kg is remaining. So we have to take this 5 kg weight here to balance the both the pen. Now see the first one. 4 kg wooden stick. Okay. So first of all put the 4 kg wooden stick here. Okay. And if we take here 6 kg. 6 kg यहाँ पे ये पेन में हमने लिया है. तो ये बैलेंस करने के लिए हमें 4 kg वुडन स्टिक के अंदर हाउ मच वी हैव टू ऐड 2 kg weight. Okay. So 4 kg wooden stick plus 2 kg plus 2 kg. Okay. Then it's a 6 kg and here it's also a 6 kg. Then it's a balance. Now see the second one, 3 kg wooden stick. So first of all write down here 3 kg wooden stick is there and here if we take 5 kg यहाँ पे आपने वेट लिया है. ओके. तो 3 kg के अंदर हम हाउ मच ऐड करें तो 5 kg होगा. तो 3 kg प्लस इफ वी टेक 2 kg देन इट्स अ बैलेंस. 3 kg प्लस 2 kg इट्स अ 5 एंड हियर ऑल्सो 5. नाउ टर्न योर पेज नंबर 180. See, here it's the third one, 9 kg wooden stick. So first of all write down 9 kg wooden stick and here balance is a 5 kg. आपको कितने दिए? 5 kg, 2 kg and 6 kg. So how much you have to take? See, here in this pen if we take 5 kg plus 6 kg then it's 11 kg and here 9 kg wooden stick already there. So 11 करने के लिए हमें कितने लेने चाहिए? 2 kg. Then our pen is a balance. So 9 kg wooden stick plus 2 kg weight, it's 11 kg and 5 kg plus 6 kg weight, it's 11 kg weight. It's a balance. Now see the fourth one, 7 kg wooden stick. Here it's a 7 kg wooden stick and हमारे पास 5 kg का भी weight है and 2 kg का भी weight है. So simply here you have to take 7 kg wooden stick and in this pen 5 kg plus 2 kg. हमें यहाँ पे कुछ भी ऐड करने की जरूरत नहीं है. ऑलरेडी 5 kg plus 2 kg it's a 7 kg. Then it's a balance. Now see main 10. Main 10. Answer the following questions on the basis of the postal rates of the post office given below. Here the postal items are there and it's a postal rates are there. Tables are given, postal rates. See the postal items, postal rates in a rupees. Now see single postcard. Single postcard price is a 0.50 rupees, 50 paise. Printed postcard, it's a 6 rupees. Inland letters, it's a 2.50, 2 rupees 50 paise. Later waiting 20 gram or less. 20 gram हो और 20 gram से कम हो, less than 20 gram, then it's a 5 rupees. And second one, for every additional 20 grams. See, 20 grams तो है लेकिन आपका अगर 20 ग्राम से बढ़ जाए तो ये एडिशनल 2 rupees चार्ज लगेंगे. ओके. नाउ पार्सल वेटिंग, फर्स्ट वन 50 ग्राम और लेस, 50 ग्राम हो और उससे लेस हो देन इट्स 5 rupees. फॉर एवरी एडिशनल 50 grams. 50 ग्राम से अगर बढ़ जाए तो इट्स एडिशनल चार्ज 3 rupees. Now see the question number 1. What is the total price of a printed postcard and 2 inland letters? See here, printed postcard rupees 6. So in the bracket rupees 6 plus 2 inland letters. So 2.50 rupees 2.50 plus 2.50. If we take the additions, if we do the total, then we get the rupees 11. Okay, 6 rupees plus 2.50 plus 2.50, it's rupees 11. Now see the second question. How much will you have to pay for stamps on a letter weighing 50 grams? See here, letter weighting is given. Okay, 20 ग्राम का दिया है कि रुपीज 5 और एडिशनल 20 ग्राम से बढ़ जाए तो रुपीज 2 लगेगी. तो यहाँ पे तो 50 ग्राम है. सो वी नीड अ रफ वर्क. नाउ सी, आपको क्वेश्चन में फाइंड आउट करना है 50 ग्राम का. ओके, 20 ग्राम वेट इज गिवन. ओके, 20 ग्राम हो तो प्राइस इज रुपीज 5 एंड हियर इट्स 20 ग्राम का 5 रुपीज प्लस 20 ग्राम, देन एडिशनल चार्ज 20 ग्राम 2 रुपीज. सो टेक 2 रुपीज. बट सी, 20 gram plus 20 gram, it's a 40 gram and we need 50 grams. So plus this 10 gram and additional charge ho 20 grams or less than 20, then also it's a rupees 2. So plus 2 rupees. See here, 5 plus 2, it's a 7. 40 gram का 7 हुआ. But again 10 gram left. तो 10 ग्राम का आपको क्या लेना है, 2 रुपीज ही लेना है. सो 7 प्लस 2, इट्स 9 रुपीज. सो आपका चार्ज है 9 रुपीज. सो राइट डाउन हियर रुपीज 9. नाउ सी द थर्ड क्वेश्चन. हाउ मच विल यू हैव टू पे फॉर स्टैम्प्स ऑन अ पार्सल वेटिंग 200 ग्राम्स. ओके, पार्सल वेटिंग है. तो सी द फर्स्ट वन, 50 ग्राम और लेस देन 50 ग्राम. सो आपको यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन में दे आस्क फॉर ए 200 ग्राम. ओके, दे आस्क फॉर ए 200 ग्राम एंड हियर 50 ग्राम का दिया है कि रुपीज 5. सो 50 ग्राम प्लस 50 ग्राम प्लस 50 ग्राम 4 टाइम्स. इफ वी टेक 4 टाइम्स देन इट्स 200 ग्राम. सी हियर, 200 ग्राम का 50 ग्राम की प्राइस है रुपीज 5. सो 4 टाइम्स आपको 50 ग्राम लेना है. 50 ग्राम प्लस 50 ग्राम प्लस 50 ग्राम प्लस 50 ग्राम, देन इट्स 200 ग्राम. ओके, सो 50 ग्राम का ऑलरेडी प्राइस है रुपीज 5. ओके, एंड एडिशनल 50 ग्राम हो तो इसका रुपीज 3 लगेगा. सो दिस वन इज द 50 ग्राम प्लस 50 ग्राम का है 5 रुपीज एंड दिस वर द एडिशनल चार्जेस. सो प्लस 3 प्लस 3 प्लस 3, 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, it's a 14. So your price is rupees 14. So you have to write down here rupees 14. Now see the fourth one. Find out the cost of sending a parcel of the weight shown in the given figure. See here it's a parcel का weight आप find out कर रहे हैं तो ये ऐसा मीटर होता है. ओके, वेटिंग मशीन. So here it's a arrow on this one. This one 200, 200 and this one 200, 210, 220 and 230. The arrow जो है वो 230 पर है. तो आपका वेट क्या है, 230. So see 230, for 230 you have to find out the cost of sending a parcel of the weight shown in the given figure. तो वो भी पार्सल का ही वेट. सो रुपीज 5, 50 ग्राम का 5 है एंड एडिशनल चार्ज लगेंगे रुपीज 3. सो इन द थर्ड क्वेश्चन वी हैव फाइंड आउट दैट द 200 का रुपीज 14 है. 14 प्लस 3, इट्स 17. ओके, 200 प्लस 30, इट्स 230. सो ये एडिशनल चार्ज रुपीज 3 लगेगा. सो 17, रुपीज 17. ओके, दिस इज योर आंसर. नाउ सी द नेक्स्ट पेज 181. Additions of weights. See the example. add number 1 28 kg and 45 kg. It's a nothing but additions, but here you have to write down the units kg. Okay, see this one, the 28 kg plus 45 kg. Now see 8 plus 5, it's a 13, 3 here, carry 1 plus 2 3 plus 4, it's a 7. So 73 kg is your answer. Now see the second one, 278 gram and 346 gram. So this way you have to write down 278 gram plus 346 gram. Here gram, okay, and you have to write down the digit below digit. Digit एक लाइन में ही आने चाहिए. Units के प्लेस पे units, tens के प्लेस पे tens and 100 के प्लेस पे hundreds. Now see here 8 plus 6, it's a 14. 4 here, carry 1. 1 plus 7, it's a 8. 8 plus 4, it's a 12. 2 here, carry 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 3, it's a 6. So answer is a 624 gram. Now see the third one. 4 kg 250 gram and 8 kg 500 gram. Here it's a kg also and gram also. So how we have to write? Make the column like this, kg column and gram column. So kg है वो kg की जगह पे लिखना है 4 kg and 250 ग्राम है तो 250 ग्राम की प्लेस पे ग्राम लिखो. प्लस 8 kg 500 ग्राम. 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5 and 2 plus 5 it's a 7. 4 plus 8 it's a 12. So 12 kg 750 gram is your answer. Now see the fourth one, 17 kg 198 gram and 26 kg 485 gram. Kg and gram. See here 17 kg 198 gram plus 26 kg 485 gram. Now see 8 plus 5 it's a 13. 3 here, carry 1. 1 plus 9 it's a 10. 10 plus 8 it's a 18. 8 here, carry 1. 1 plus 1 it's a 2. 2 plus 4 it's a 6. And here 7 plus 6 it's a 13. 3 here, carry 1. 1 plus 1 it's a 2. 2 plus 2 it's a 4. So 43 kg 683 gram. Now see the fifth one. Now see the fifth one, 2 kg 100 gram, 1 kg 250 gram and 4 kg 500 gram. Ghee. Here you have to mention ghee also. Kg, gram. 2 kg 100 gram ghee plus 1 kg 250 gram ghee, 4 kg 500 gram ghee. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0 it's a 0. 0 plus 5 5 plus 0 5. 1 plus 2 it's a 3. 3 plus 5 it's a 8. 2 plus 1 it's a 3. 3 plus 4 7. 7 kg 850 gram ghee. Okay, you have to mention here. Now see the sixth one, 43 kg 200 gram plus 29 kg 150 gram and 73 kg 400 gram millet. All the one you have to do the additions. Now see, make the column kg and kilogram. Kg and gram. Okay, 43 kg 200 gram. It's a millet. So write down here, mention here millet. Plus 29 kg 150 gram millet plus 73 kg 400 gram millet. 0 plus 0 plus 0 it's a 0. 0 plus 5 plus 0 it's a 5. 2 plus 1 plus 4 it's a 7. 3 plus 9 plus 3 it's a 15. 5 here, carry 1. 1 plus 4 plus 2 plus 7 it's a 14. So answer is a 145 kg 750 gram millet. Okay, so today we will end up to this much only. We will see the main 11 in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Okay, bye.